A winter storm warning.
What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulation.
We got it at WSW. Why did you go off for an advisory? WR100.
When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be...
Dude, we got a winter storm warning.
If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
Dude, we got a winter storm warning, bro. A double header! Oh my god. We got a double header. Dude, no way! Crazy, bro.
Winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Saturday.
Dude, we got a double header. Wow.
What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches. Where? Warm and worse. When?
Dude, we got a double header winter storm warning.
Travel could be very difficult.
Dude,
Additional plans from 1 p.m. Saturday.
KGZ31 got the alert.
Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for the
Dude, we got a double header. Oh, did not. I think I might get the alert. Let's go back to KWO35.
Winter storm watch remains in effect from Saturday evening.
Dude, we got a double header winter storm warning.
What? Heavy snow possible.
Let me show you.
Snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches possible. Where? Portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey.
Dude, we got a double header winter storm warning.
When? From Saturday evening through Sunday afternoon.
A double header.
Travel could be very difficult. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10.
Dude, we got a double header.
New Jersey, Sussex. In Pennsylvania, Carbon and Monroe.
Wow.
When?
Crazy.